To record a purchase order in Cin7, you can either open the side menu, open purchases, and then open new purchase order. Or, as with our previous video on general tips, you can use the plus icon to place new purchase orders on the top menu, like I've done here for new sales orders. So if I go in here to a new purchase order, the system will hint at the areas to fill out based on the 1s and then 2 and then 3 for the stages of a purchase order. So for now, we're just going to enter the basic purchase order information. So here, if I type part of a company name, then you'll see that the supplier information will come up with the supplier name first and the contact name second. Clicking on the supplier will give you any appropriate details such as phone, addresses, and similar. There's both internal comments and delivery instructions. So internal comments stay purely within the system. Delivery instructions are available on the purchase order print-off. Moving down here, just be careful to check the branch if you've got more than one branch that you ship to. So here, for example, we're shipping to the Melbourne warehouse. We might want to change that to the Hobart warehouse. Also double check the currency value and the cost that you're using. So here we've got both a AUD and a British pounds cost. And finally, click into product code and then search for a product. You can search by either part of the code within this field here, or you can click within name and type part of the product name to search as well. So here, if I search pale, you'll notice that a few become available. However, if I search in code for pale, none will come up because it's only looking within the SKU code. So here we've got 533 available. There's 27 already incoming. Let's order 50 of these. And $25 of postage. So now we have a total here of 110 AUD, including GST. You can either save this as a draft, which will just put it back in the system, ready to be amended later on, or otherwise approve. Which will take you to the review screen. The review screen is one of the most useful screens in Cin7 for an order. It will show you any notes, some general information of invoicing, receipt details, and similar, plus what's been ordered here. Now, we can either print the purchase order by clicking on here, or we can email the purchase order by clicking on here. If you email the purchase order, then it will record what's called a contact log in the system, so you'll be able to see the email later on. The other thing that I recommend here is clicking add timestamp and then placing some notes here. If we go save and back to list, that will take us back to the purchase order list, and this purchase order is now sat as open and awaiting.